Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, as you know, the blind bag box is overflowing, so I will do some more blind bag videos. And it's not Easter now, but I got some Easter eggs, some surprise eggs from Zaini. They weren't sold in Germany in the last couple of months. They were all sold in Russia and the Eastern European countries. And I was finally able to score some of these. So I got six of the Elsa frozen eggs to open from Zaini. So guys, we got 6 of these eggs. Which you can see there's Elsa on the egg, and it's made from Zaini. They make a lot of Disney surprise eggs. And they made these like, I believe 2 years ago, but they were just recently released in Germany. So let's have a look which things we got and open the first one. Oh, inside is some milk chocolate. They don't open as easy as the Kinder Surprise eggs do. And we got a little transparent capsule. And we got a first figurine. And it's Hans. Look, it's Hans. Isn't he cool? Okay, I don't like Hans that much because he's the villain. And I'm not the villain guy. And he's just a douchebag. But he's cool. Cool figurine. So first one is Hans. I can show you the flyer real quick. It's really tiny, so I have to come close. There are six figurines to collect. No. There are 8 figurines to collect. And 5 danglers. And there's the new Elsa ring inside. So let's open the second one. There's chocolate on the egg. There was chocolate on the egg. And oh no! Okay. So this is Elsa's ring. It's really tiny, and it's a little heart-shaped ring with Elsa on it. Kind of cool, but yeah. I would love the figurines more. So let's open the next one. Cross your fingers. I want to get the figurines. I even would take the danglers, but not these. Cute little rings. So third egg. And we got... Oh my god, we got the coolest one of all. We got Marshmallow. He's so cute. Marshmallow. And we got 3 more to go. So let's open the next one. Sounds like a figurine. And it is a figurine. It's Anna. Yes. We scored Anna. Cool. I've seen figurines which are bigger than this one. Because she's just about 1.5 inches or something like that. Or just 1 inch. And her face is beautiful. I've seen bigger figurines with an awful face. So I'm really impressed by these figurines. So we got 2 eggs left. And hopefully we get more figurines. I would love to have Olaf. Oh no, I crushed the paper. Okay, this egg isn't opening well. Yay, we did it! Without spilling chocolate all over the place. But I got chocolate on my fingers. And we got one of the danglers. Okay, that's kind of cool. It's better than the ring. Oh cool, we got the Olaf dangler. So this is Olaf, little Olaf dangler, which you can attach to your key or stuff like that, to your backpack, to your zipper. He's cool. Hi Olaf! And the last egg for this opening. Hopefully the Olaf figurine. Hopefully the Olaf figurine. I would love to see the Olaf figurine. Please let it be the Olaf figurine. I'm saying Olaf figurine a lot. Oh no! But we got a figurine again. That's cool. We got the little troll. He's cute. Isn't he cute? We got that cute little troll from the series. Awesome! So guys, I enjoyed that opening. Even we got the little ring, which I don't like. So this may be my least favorite from this opening. The little Elsa ring. We got an awful lot of chocolate down there. And the favorite from this opening could be Marshmallow, but he's looking like a little chubby pile of snow. So he isn't that well made. Actually, my favorite from this opening is the little Anna figurine. Because she's really, 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 really beautiful. And I really love the details on her and her paint job and stuff like that. So the favorite from this opening is the little Anna figurine. I'm really impressed by the figurines, so I will get a few more of the eggs. And hopefully don't have a lot of rings in them. Because they're really kind of not that cool. But I will give the ring to my niece. She's about 4 years old. She will love it. So guys, thanks so much for watching. This was another blind bag opening. I hope you enjoyed it. I did. And see you real soon.